They're laughing together.
I told Mom we should do.
Okay.
Are you recording already?
Yeah.
You want to pause it for a second?
No.
She wants to say something.
I told Mom that we should do where me, Phoenix, and Ian sit in front of a bowl of water, and we play this TikTok sound that like asks like parents questions, and whatever you guys think, you dump our heads in the water.
That sounds fun to me.
I think we should do it.
Ian broke his finger.
want
He
it
thinks he
loud.
broke his finger. I think he jammed his finger.
I think it might be
Same.
Okay, who wants to go first?
You gotta do the introduction.
Me.
You gotta say, anyways.
I'll go against you. I want to do it.
Okay, do it, Shay. Can you see her?
Well, you have to use one at some
No,
point.
you gotta back
You
up.
can even fill up water.
You gotta back up.
Fill up, bro. Or scoot up. Or back. God.
Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel today. We're gonna be doing a thing where someone does a sound and then repeat it. So, anyways, let's get started.
Okay, who wants to go first?
I'll go
Okay.
first.
You want to do
I'll
a
go
sound
first against you.
Okay. Just pick anything and do a sound, and Bubba has to try to make the sound.
He's gotta do that with his mouth?
Wait, okay.
I can't see you.
I did it one more time.
Get it back some.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, my turn to do it against
Yeah.
Phoenix now. Oh.
Can you see? Go stand over there by Sissy.
Okay. You want to go live?
Well, we should do
Huh?
winter season.
Sure.
Okay.
We should do winter
Ready?
season. You probably can hear that. Is it Sissy's turn?
Oh,
I did it. I did it.
hard.
What do I do?
Here.
I know.
Ian, how about you?
Okay.
Nanny has to do a sound now. Yeah, you can shake it or.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, go.
Who do you vote?
Oh.
For, but I'm gonna do it for that.
Okay.
Any kind of sound. Here, you gotta do it.
Phoenix was supposed to make that sound. Do it.
I thought he did it to me.
I did do it to you.
Oh, he did it to
Here you
me.
go.
Okay. Let's do Nanny.
No, my turn again.
Oh wait. Oh yeah, it's your turn.
Okay, Mom.
Okay. Okay, go Shay. Oh, do I have to do it to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Okay. I'll do it for Sissy.
Can I do one for Phoenix? There's other things that you can get to make sounds too.
Ooh, you should be water filling up for me. I won't do that one. For Phoenix.
Okay.
For who?
Let's see.
My turn.
Bubba's turn.
Why did I go?
You go after Bubba. You go second. You get spoons or pots, pan, anything. Not just what's on the counter. I didn't know what's crap.
Wait, no, he has to do one for me.
Oh yeah.
No.
Twist the top.
Oh!
Why do you just keep slamming?
Yeah, why do you keep slamming stuff?
It's just different things every time.
Phoenix, look, stop. You can like this, like sounds, not slamming. You gotta do it fast.
No, I'm gonna do this.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this. Hold on. Wait, hold on.
Shut up, Bob. Okay, for who? For who?
Oh god. Not me. Oh.
For who?
Who's that for? Who's that
Sissy.
for?
No, it should be like,
Oh,
Okay,
that's funny.
Ian.
Oh god. Don't forget the boom.
I did. Boom. No,
The
the
brush.
brush.
broom, the
The
brush.
brush. You did a brush.
Yeah.
Yeah.
okay.
Ian, oh wait.
That was my turn.
No, it's Dad's turn.
Oh,
Why are you always picking that?
No, it was Dad's turn.
because we gotta go in order.
You always picking that.
No, why do you?
This is for Ian.
Pick him once.
That was good.
Okay, my
You
turn.
got it.
My turn.
Wait. You
I
just
just
went.
went.
You just went. It's Sissy's turn.
Here. No, I didn't go.
I'm
Oh.
gonna go.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, you
Oh,
popped
You
the
popped the balloon.
Phoenix,
Smart
this
one.
is for
Oh
you.
wait, I have to do it for Dad now.
Hold on, let me do it for Phoenix.
No, remember?
Are you ready? This is for you. Okay,
Well, okay. I'm gonna do it for Chase. For you. Okay, ready?
Chase, you can play.
Wait, okay, now you have to do one for me.
Hmm.
I was thinking.
Nanny.
No, Phoenix.
No.
Yeah, sure. Oh, go ahead. Make a sound for someone.
Oh God.
Who's it for?
It's Bubba.
Wait.
Okay, Nanny.
Yeah. That's mine. I don't know.
Pay attention, Phoenix. Are you ready? Good enough for me.
Let's do the water. Wait. Let's do the water. Hey, Mom, you ready?
That's for you.
I got this one. I got this one. Hey, Mom, ready?
Let me do the last part.
What you forgot?
I'm gonna do the
Can't
last
forget
part.
that, Mom.
I want to do the
Okay.
last part.
Okay.